The chest expansion follows the semicircle, so we stand up, the springs remain the same, 2 springs. The pad can cover the springs for later. We're going to hook the feet over the back edge of the carriage, picking up the handles and choking up on the straps. Pelvis is directly over the knees, strong in the powerhouse as we pull the straps back, opening the chest, turn the head to one side, to the other side, and back to the center, and slowly return the arms home with control. Pull the springs with a great strong powerhouse, turning the head and returning back home. Imagine there's a team of horses. You're in control. Your powerhouse is strong so that you don't get pulled into the dirt and dragged along the ground. So one more time, we pull from the powerhouse, opening the chest to look and look, freeing the neck, center, and then slowly bring the arms home.